I store fresh blueberries in a jar, and for years they remain as if they were just picked. I will wash the blueberries. I choose healthy, ripe, and firm blueberries because only healthy fruit can be preserved beautifully in a jar. I washed 1.5 kilograms of blueberries, and now I will grind 500 grams. I need the juice of 1 lemon. I add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Acidity is important for safe food preservation. I'll stir. I need clean and washed jars. I will fill the jars with blueberries. I will not fill the jars to the top. I will pour the juice from the crushed blueberries into the jars. I pour the juice to cover the blueberries. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I will remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. I store the jars in a dark and cool place, without a freezer and without electricity. I use blueberries prepared in this way for pancakes, cakes, oatmeal, yogurt, cakes, and desserts. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.